I'm Lynn from JVI Secret Gardens. Choosing the perfect houseplant for your space can be a little overwhelming. So we're going to go over a few things that you can do before you show up to the garden center to make your journey a little bit easier. First is going to be to pick out the perfect spot for your plant. Are you going to be putting this in an office? Do you have overhead fluorescent lights? Are you putting it near a window where you have lots of natural light? If you are near a window, at what time of the day is sun directly coming in and touching your plant? Knowing your lighting is going to make choosing a plant a little bit easier and I think a little bit more fun. Different plants are going to thrive in different types of light. So a plant that doesn't need a lot of light might be able to handle an office with just fluorescent lights, but a plant that needs a lot of bright light wouldn't necessarily do well there. The next thing you're going to want to think about when picking a plant is how much care you're going to be able to give that plant. How often you can water it, how often you can check it for pests, those kind of things. Certain plants are going to require a little bit more work than others. As far as watering and plant care, we actually broke down plants into a few different categories in a different video, so go ahead and check that out over there. We talk about how some plants require drier soil, some plants require more water, those kind of things. The amount of light that your plant is in is going to affect how often you have to water it. If you pick a plant that needs consistently moist soil and you put it in a very bright spot, that plant is going to be using that water a lot quicker. Now, if you're looking for something that's going to be a little less time intensive, a little less care, you might want to go with something that can take drier soil in that bright light, like a cactus or a succulent. If you are looking for a plant that's going to be in an office where you're not going to be able to check it every day, there are a few options that you can go with. Snake plants don't need to be checked every day. They kind of thrive on neglect, and so do pothos. Of course, we weren't able to cover everything in this short video, but you're welcome to come and visit us at the garden center. We have a knowledgeable staff who can help you pick out the perfect plant for your space. And also check out our YouTube channel and some of our other videos for more tips and tricks.